Hello everyone, welcome to Learning is Fun Academy, Learn Phonics Day 1. This is going to be a 10-day exercise of learning phonics so that at the end of day 10, your child will have mastered the art of all the phonics sounds, which will help in reading. So the A says ah, 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 ah. Make sure that the mouth is open when stressing the A sound. Purse your lips while saying B. B, 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 b. C says k, 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 k. D says d, 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 d. Now, whenever I teach children E, I make sure that I tell them that you have to clench your teeth. So E says e, e, e. F says f, f, f. G says g, g, g. Imagine you're holding something heavy and you're exercising. Now, when you're tired, H says I says E, J says J, K says K. Now, K says K. The same sound as C, somewhat little different. K says K, L says L. Take your tongue out when saying L. M says M, 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 M. So I make sure that children distinguish two sounds. First is closing the lips and saying and the second is M. N says N. O says O. P says P. Again, you have to purse your lips. P. Q says Qu. R says R. S says S. T says T. U says U. V says V. Now you have to bite your lip. V. W says W, W, W. Blow air inside your cheeks and take it out. X says X. Y says Y. Z or Z says Z. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for day number 2 tomorrow.